Good night, teacher Julian and companies. The next is my activity, my last vacation forum. Inglés intermedio, present student Edwin Leal Durán. Jaime Duque Park. Jaime Duque activities. I visited Park Jaime Duque in Bogotá, DC, the past January with my girlfriend. We visited the electronic games in the museum. Jaime Duque Foods. We visited the restaurant where they saw the recipe food of the park. Buga City. Buga Aptis. We went the church for the 12 o'clock mouse. We bought hits for our friends. Buga Foods. We ate the typical food of the place, cholao and fish. Thank you, teacher.